यूनिट 3 से, जो कि क्वालिटी इंश्योरेंस है, एमसीक्यू। ये इम्पोर्टेंट इसलिए क्योंकि जो ऑनलाइन एग्जाम हो रहा है उसमें ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो स्टार्टिंग से लेकर अंत तक देखिएगा और सारा जितने भी यूनिट्स हैं वो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में मिल जाएगा, आप वहाँ से देख सकते हैं। ओके, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर, type 2 glass is called, type 2 glass is called treated soda lime glass. The answer is D, treated soda lime glass. Explanation देखते हैं। टाइप 1 का अगर देखते हैं, बोरोसिलिकेट ग्लास also known as Pyrex. टाइप 2 का treated with soda lime glass. टाइप 3 का soda lime glass और soda lime silica glass. And type 4 is general purpose soda lime glass, type NP glass. Okay. Next is second question number. What is tamper equivalent package? The answer is A. Indicate the evidence of opening of package. The answer is A. Okay. Explanation is according to the US Food and Drug Administration, a tamper evident package is one having one or more indicator or barrier to entry which, if branched or missing, can reasonably be expected to provide visible evidence to consumer that tampering has occurred. The answer is E. Okay. Next is third question number. Thermoplastic are, the answer is T, all of the above. A is gets softened on heating, B is can be molded, and C is does not degrade by repeated heating. The answer is T. Okay. The explanation is thermoplastic are defined as polymer that can be melted and recast almost indefinitely. They are molten when heated and hardened upon cooling. The answer is D. Okay. Next is fourth question number. The package that comes in contact with formulation directly is called, the answer is A, primary package. Okay. Then explanation देखते हैं, then secondary package देखते हैं क्या होता है। The secondary package is used for the branding and display of the product. Then tertiary packing is used for the production and shipping of product. Okay. Next is 5 question number. Flowing is not a primary packaging. The answer is C, carton. Okay. Answer is C. Next is 6 question number. Its protection is required in, the answer is C, tertiary pack. The answer is C. Next is 7 question number. The yellow color glass is manufactured by adding, the answer is C, cardamom sulfide. The answer is C. Next is 8 question number. Number 6 on plastic container refers that it is manufactured using, the answer is B, polystyrene. The answer is B. First is PET or PETE, that means polyethylene terephthalate. Then second is HDPE, that means high density polyethylene. Then C is PVC, that means polyvinyl chloride. And fourth is LDPE, that means low density polyethylene. And 5 is PP, that means polypropylene. The answer is B. इसका B है, ये explanation and short form है. Next is 9 question number. Water attack test is used to identify the alkalinity in, the answer is B, type 2 glass. The answer is B. Next is 10 question number. As per ICH stability zone, India falls under which stability zone? The answer is D, zone 5 and 4th unit per tropical zone, and zone 4B hot by higher humidity. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 11 question number. Light transmission test for glass is measured at spectral region of, the answer is A, 290 nm to 450 nm. The answer is A. Next is 12 question number. The answer is A. Cooling. Okay. Annealing is a controlled process for cooling glass to relieve interior stress. Okay. Next is 13 question number. Which are important chemical test for glass container? The answer is D. All of them. A is hydrolytic resistant test, B is water attached test, and C is arsenic test. The answer is D. Next is 14 question number. Which is important QC test for collapsible tube? The answer is D. All. Okay. A is leakage test, B is power of adhesion, and C is flexibility. Okay, flexibility test, and D is all. The answer is D. All. Okay. Next is 15 question number. The class of studies that are included in GLP are. The answer is C. Both A and B. A is single dose toxicity and B is repeated dose toxicity. The answer is C. Next is 16 question number. Under good laboratory practice, which of the following are regulated? The answer is D. All of the above. A is planned and performed, and B is monitored and recorded, and C is achieved and reported. The answer is D. All of the above. Next is 17 question number. Which of the following studies are not included in GLP? The answer is D. None of the above. कोई भी नहीं है इसके ऊपर. Next is 18 question number. In order to ensure good operational management, GLP principle required to institution 2. The answer is D. All of the above. A is assign role in responsibilities of the staff. B is provided adequate physical facilities and qualified staffs, and C is provide facilities should be of suitable size, construction, and location. The answer is D. All of the above. Okay. Next is 19 question number. If a testing facility has been disqualified, any studies were done before the after disqualification will be to be determined as essential to a decision. The answer is A. True. Okay. The answer is A. Next is 20 question number. Who has the overall responsibility for the scientific conduct of a study and can confirm the compliance of the study with the principle of good laboratory practice? The answer is A. Study director. The answer is A. Next is 21 question. CFR. Which CFR deals with good laboratory practice for non-clinical laboratory studies? The answer is C. 21 to CFR 21 CFR 58. ये जून 1979 में हुआ. Answer is C. Next is 22 question number. Consequence of non-compliance can be. The answer is C. Both A and B. A is final order non-compliance will be sent to the facility with explanation. B is the facility may not receive or be considered for a research or marketing permit and the study of rejected. The answer is C. Okay. Both A and B. Next is 23 question number. The study of plan should be approved by. The answer is A. Study director. The answer is C. A. Study director. Okay. Next is 24 question number. For testing and control item, the following information is not meant on label. The answer is A. Distribution record. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 25 question number. Correction of addition to a final report shall be in the form of blank or by the study director. The answer is A. Amended by the study of director. The answer is A. Okay. Next is जी पैट्रियन क्लास को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट और लाइक जरूर करें. ओके, तब तक के लिए बाय. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं.